Want to work smarter, and absolutely not harder? Today we are going to talk about types of landlady insurance coverage. Stay tuned. To better understand the options available to landladies, here is a breakdown of additional coverage options to discuss with your insurance company. 1. Property protection. Insurance policies designed for rental dwellings cover damage to the home from disasters like fire, lightning, wind, hail, ice, and snow. Standard landlady policies typically do not cover flood damage, so you will need to take out a separate flood insurance policy. Insurance policy providers often refer to this type of protection as dwelling coverage. 2. Personal property protection. Landlady policies cover personal property left on-site for maintenance or tenant use, such as appliances and lawn mowers. But they don't cover tenant property, only renters insurance does that. Landladies can require that their tenants get renters insurance as a condition of the lease. One of the major benefits of renters insurance is avoiding disputes about who will replace personal property if damage occurs. 3. Liability insurance. Landlady policies can include liability coverage. If someone falls on your property, for instance, liability protection covers legal fees and medical expenses. 4. Rent loss protection. If damage renders your property uninhabitable, your landlady policy will cover the lost rent and pay you the amount of money you would have made in rental income. Rent loss insurance helps you continue to make mortgage payments when a tenant cannot occupy the home. Rent loss protection isn't necessarily a magic bullet. Many landladies are finding that coronavirus isn't always a covered loss. Landladies may also be able to get a form of business interruption insurance. This protects you from interruptions to their stream of rental income. For example, if an injury sidelines you, this compensation helps you keep things running. 5. Flood protection. Flood insurance policies are run by the federal government through the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, and must be purchased in addition to your landlady insurance policy. Your flood insurance policy can include coverage for the building, its contents, and any replacement costs. 6. Acts of nature protection. Your dwelling coverage might limit or exclude certain types of damage. Your standard landlady insurance policy doesn't always cover acts of nature such as earthquakes, hurricanes, and tornadoes. If you live in an at-risk area, discuss additional peril protections with your insurance provider. Heads up, some companies call this coverage acts of God. 7. Cash value versus replacement cost. When repairing or rebuilding damaged property, an actual cost value policy will pay you the actual cost minus the depreciation value of damaged items. For example, if you purchased an appliance for the property that gets damaged in a fire, your insurer will value the actual cost of that appliance now, with depreciation, and pay you that amount. However, replacement value policies will provide a new washing machine with no out-of-pocket cost. Yes, actual cost coverage costs less. But if you would rather insurance take care of everything, consider replacement cost coverage. As you can see, there are many things that must be considered when choosing your landlady insurance policy. It is important to read the policy carefully, discuss options with your agent, and ensure that you are fully protected. In my next video, we will discuss about how much is a security deposit. Want more landlady tips and articles? Follow us on social network. Watch out for Noodles' upcoming videos which are all about landlady stuff. Hit the subscribe button. Click the link in the bio to automatically order a children's book about money for a child in your life. The Noodles series by Ming Dai. See you in the next video.